Did you know that digital marketing industry is expected to hit nearly $800 billion in the next couple years? That's not just a number, it's an opportunity. And the question is, are you ready to claim your piece of it? In this video, I'm going to share with you how ordinary people, just like you and me, are stepping into the digital marketing space and transforming their lives. And by the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what steps you can take so you can join them. Hi, I'm Hillary, your mythical marketer, and I am so passionate about helping people achieve financial freedom through digital marketing. Because not too long ago, I was kind of stuck in a rut, dreaming of a way to figure out how to make money without sacrificing my freedom. And then I discovered digital marketing and everything has changed. Now I'm not just building a business, but I'm building a life that I truly love. And today I want to help you do the same. So I'll start with telling you about the growth stats, which are confounding. With digital marketing, it is one of the fastest growing industries, and it's expected to reach $786 billion by 2026, according to Forbes. And yes, that was billion with a B. That means over 70% of businesses worldwide are now prioritizing digital marketing strategies. And what that means for you is that you don't need prior experience in this field because it's accessible to anyone who's willing to learn. Because businesses everywhere need digital marketers. And then so that way, that means the opportunities are endless. So in this industry, it's so booming that, and I just get so excited, that anything is achievable, you know? So once you get this course and you start learning these high income skills, you'll see how much it can really pay off, because you can learn how to create your sales funnels, run effective ads, and build automated systems. These skills are hugely valuable and very much in demand everywhere. You'll also get step-by-step guidance. So it's not like you're going to be piecing things together from free tips online. This course is going to walk you through step-by-step, making it foolproof even for beginners. And also, big bonus, you get an amazing community and support. So you get to join a network of like-minded individuals who are also on the same path. And once you see what's possible with all of these people out here winning, doing digital marketing, they're winning financially, you realize this could be you. You can change your life. Just imagine waking up every day excited to work on something that both brings you income, time freedom, and that you're actually passionate about. Imagine having time for your family or for traveling or pursuing your passions without worrying about having your paycheck. Is it going to come? The best part is you don't have to do it alone. We've figured out a way to make sure that you are guided every step of the way. So the only thing standing between you and changing your life is taking that first step. And this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business that takes real commitment. So invest in yourself. It's worth it. Click the link in the description box so you can get started learning these high-income skills that are going to guide you every step of the way. Just take the first step so you can change your life. Remember, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is action. So let this be the moment that you said yes to your dreams. Click the link and let's get you started today on that journey to financial freedom. Your future self will thank you.